Hello YouTubers, I'm back with another video after a long time. Well, today I'll be reviewing this watch called Mibro Lite, which is from Xiaomi. And I've been using this Mi Band 6, my trusted old Mi Band 6, for a long time now, and I really love it. It is very reliable. But this new product came out. Well, I started to review less because we were getting all of the same time and time again. So this is a new product which is full AMOLED. So this is something new. So I wanted to review this watch, and as you can see from the web page, this is around $44, which is, I think, the cheapest AMOLED enabled watch in the world right now. And if you check the specs, well, it has 1.3-inch AMOLED HD screen, of course optical heart rate sensor and SpO2 sensor, which is oxygen monitoring sensor, blood oxygen sensor, and then you have 15 sports mode. But I've learned that this watch it doesn't have swimming mode, so that is a drawback, but we will check it. And it is very thin, 9.8 mm thickness. That is very thin, and it is ultra lightweight, which is 48 grams. And the battery size is 230 mAh, which is, I think, a lot. This watch will easily give 9 to 10 days with all of the features on, so we will check on that. So let's unwrap it, open this up, and see what this watch is about. So I've opened the box, and this is what you get. And if you lift this up, so here's the watch. Of course, as usual, rubber strap. Of course, documents and manuals. And here you go, a magnetic charging latch. I think this is a plus. This will be very, very handy. And of course, a booklet, which they always give. So this Mibro is actually, it has all the hardware from Xiaomi. So Xiaomi makes excellent hardware. I love my Mi Band 6. So I think this is going to be, it would have the same quality as Xiaomi Mi Bands have. So let's open it up and power it on. Okay, so talking about my first impression, well, very light but feels premium. The quality of plastic looks very, very premium. Let's unwrap it and see what it is about. And well, we have to check the quality of the AMOLED screen, which is a must, which is the USP, the unique selling point of this watch. So we need to check this. So guys, this is a very, very attractive looking watch. I can see a very, very sheen surface. I think this has to be scratch proof or scratch resistant surface, because it looks very, very shiny. I think it will get scratches very easily, but I can see 4 lines at 12, 3, 6 and 9. I think this is to aid you in checking time when you put on analog watch face. And you have just one button, home button, to operate this watch. So guys, I will power this on. So let's power this on. So you get this Mibro logo, and you have language selection. So let's select English. Okay, so we have to download the app and need to scan this QR code. So let's do it. So this is the back of the watch. You can remove the strap, and you have these 3 bulbs, 3 LEDs actually, which fire up when you check your heart rate, or they fire up green when you check your heart rate, and they fire up red when you check your blood oxygen saturation levels. So well, you have these 2 golden points. I think these are to latch on the magnetic charger. So this is where it sticks, and you can charge it up. So let me wear it and check it, how it looks on my wrist. So guys, I have this watch on my hand, and very, very good looking watch. Very, very light, very, very comfortable, very, very soft rubber strap, and very comfortable to wear it. I think this is a very, very good looking watch. I'll definitely I'm looking forward to wear this and test it, and I will definitely make a comparison with Mi Band 6, so that I can provide you with a review an honest review that whether you should buy Mi Band 6 or this watch. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so the watch is successfully set up, and here you go. This is the display, very colorful and sharp. And let's check the settings. So if you swipe up, you can check notifications. If you swipe down, you can toggle brightness, or you can turn on and off, check the date and time, and of course battery percentage. And if you swipe right, you can check the heartbeat. So if I wear it, only then it will check it, because it has a sensor which checks if the watch is on the wrist or not. So if you swipe right, you can check weather, then of course step count and calories, and you can actually add more components. If you swipe left, you can see weather, heart rate, SpO2, all the settings. And if you press this button, this is a menu button, so you get into the settings. So you have sports, exercise data, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep report, pressure. I think this is stress. This pressure setting is about stress level checking. And there is a breathe, exercise setting. Then there is MET, I have to check that. There's a music setting, timer, find phone, messages, calculator. So basically you have a calculator also. So well, to go back, you have to swipe from left to right, and you can go back. So looks very pretty, smooth and buttery UI. There is no lag. I don't see any lag. And well, of course you have the watch faces. There must be more watch faces to select from the app, but the built-in ones are these. So you can select. You can see the colors are quite punchy. They are the colors are very sharp. So that's it, guys.